This is Harlowe for life. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. Cause we can't be stopped now. This is Harlowe for life. Woo-hoo! You want it more? You guys best be ready for more. Be ready for this. Going nowhere. We can't be stopped now. Let's start it off. Let's do one thing clear. I've been back in this game since I was first year. I party like a freshman when I was in first year. I love it if I ever wanna leave. This semester to semester. Working with the freshers. Ain't no tiny temper. I'm just steady learning lessons, man. Part of my present were a blessing, but they've never been disguised. Was trying to make my future into higher heights. Call me the rocket man. Shooting through the skies. I'm not Kelly, but I'm putting stars in the rise. No surprise when I say Harlowe, I'll sit like a 1, 2, 6, 2, pump and grind. Cause going nowhere. Going nowhere. Can't be stopped now. This is Harlowe for life. We ain't we ain't going nowhere. We can't be stopped now. This is Harlowe for life. Yeah. Numbers, yes, let's go! I'm an outlaw. Pick up the draw. Something you never seen before. I'm a never mother. Keep up here in my face, fall back. I've got something to that. And it goes. I'm a never mother. Keep up here in my soul. Real. How I feel. It's just inside the team. Don't make a nigga wanna kill. Yeah, they be running up and down the street. For their t-shirts, dressed out like it was to be. They be saying, hey, hey. Oh baby you want me. Oh baby you want me. Oh baby you want me. You can hang his laptop here. Oh. Na 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 oh. Na 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 oh. Na 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 oh. If you know the song, then sing along. That's one thing, so many feelings. That's one thing, and it'll just one thing, I won't be slipping. Just one thing, I was admitted to this. Just one thing, and I was so with it. It's just one thing, and it'll Are you ready? Make some noise, people, for that. Make some noise. And stop. Yes. Sounds of Harlowe in the building. Are you ready? Here we go. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Look, tell me what you got, tell mama. Tell me what you got, pretty lady. Tell me what you got, shorty. Tell me what you got, baby. Hands up and wave. On the mic, I'll get hyper. When you step on the mic, the crowd all like you. I'm watching thinking that they do so like my mic up. Get behind the sound, yes, tell my mic up. This shit get better on this ammunition. I need to wait when you come fairly used to the wishes. When you go big, I'm wishing that you have your dinner. See the bottom, but we're not the very liquid of my dick. So, look for on the horns. Here we go. Yeah. Like a heart of a dream, even people that. Yeah. Say you love me, but you'll never let go of me. Slowly dying when You're having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one hit me. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one hit me. 99 problems, but sounds like getting hit up all lyrical, individual, cause on the microphone I make lyrical miracles happen. Keep your hands snapping, you can't let me up and come on, we go down the win the game, a couple of people forget. See your money, that's the thing, that's the movie, I'm the one that stays my boss. All the music on the ice, that's the thing, that looks fresh, looks nice. Oi! Fix up, look sharp. Fix up, look sharp. And again, fix up, look sharp. One more, fix up, look sharp. Whoa! Got the big please. Make sound. Do it. Got the big please. Sounds of Harlowe. One more time for me. Everybody, even at the back, let's go. Are you ready? We're gonna go. We'll be back. Sounds of Harlowe in the building. Alright then. No, but thank you very much for having us. We've been Sounds of Harlowe. And this is our very last one. I want you all to come right to the front for this one. Let's get rowdy. Let's get sweaty. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Look. Early up. Smack that fool. Early up. Get that fool. Get him. Get that anti up. Smack that fool. Get that fool. Hey. Look. When I say we are, you say Harlowe. We are. I say we are, you say Harlowe. We are. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mike Gill on the drums. Yeah.